London West MP Arielle Kayabaga, chosen by newly minted Prime Minister Mark Carney to be a member of his cabinet.
Execute the powers and trusts reposed in me as the leader of government in the House of Commons and a Minister of Democratic Institutions.
The chair of the London West Federal Liberal Association describes it as a proud moment for those who know Kayabaga and have worked alongside her on her political campaigns.
It was incredibly exciting. We're all very proud of Arielle. She's done a great job here in London West. She's been a great advocate for the community. Obviously, Prime Minister Carney thinks she's been a great advocate.
It's the first time London has had a federal minister since Ed Holder was a member of Stephen Harper's cabinet in 2014 and 15.
It's great that London's getting that recognition and is going to have somebody at the table, at the head table.
Kayabaga's meteoric rise in politics began here at London City Hall, when in 2018 she was elected as a rookie councillor to represent the downtown area. This was Kayabaga during that first campaign. As a rookie councillor, she championed the use of an equity and inclusion lens during municipal budgeting and oversaw the completion of Dundas Place. 2.5 years into that rookie council term, she successfully made the leap to federal politics, retaining London West for the Liberals. Just last month, she was appointed parliamentary secretary to the Minister of Small Business, and now becomes one of 3 first-time cabinet ministers, with her second federal election still on the horizon.
We've got a lot of work coming up. Before she gets to do a lot of the work that she's been entrusted with, we first have to win another mandate.
Daryl Newcomb, CTV News.